Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Peda and I make everyday tech videos for everyday people. And today, welcome to my kitchen, which is a different one. Just see the bottom of the toaster over there. Don't ask why we're in the kitchen, but we are cooking up a first impressions and unboxing video of Samsung's Superfast wireless charger duo. I'm going to forgive the fact this says super fast wireless charging because now with Qi 2, then it's not that fast really, and obviously companies like OnePlus do a lot faster wireless charging, as does every Chinese manufacturer. But this was a pre-order gift from Samsung. One of the best things about buying Samsung products is it's very rare that you'll not get something for ordering something. So I bought this Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and we get this watch strap and this wireless charger completely free. Boom. Can't argue that, can you? And you don't get that from many other companies. So the fact that it says super fast wireless charging, it's a couple of years old and it's probably been in a warehouse for a long time, and obviously they're not going to update packaging. It's probably a way for them to get rid of products they haven't sold, let's be honest, but it's still nice that you get something for nothing. You buy a product you're going to buy anyway and you get a little freebie. So always check Samsung's website to see what the latest thing is you can claim with phones, tablets, etc, etc, etc. As you can see on here, it is super fast wireless charging. Ooh, knock on the camera. Max 15 watts. And it's a duo, so you do get somewhere for your watch, somewhere for your phone. And what does make me laugh is you have a look at the back there. Again, look, you've got a Samsung phone, an iPhone, and what looks like AirPods. And then watch. Super fast. Not quite super fast. But yeah, let's have a little look. It is a beefy box, you can tell. So let's tear up. Let's tear into it and have a look. Open it the wrong way. Quick change. Wow, okay. Part of the reason we do it in my kitchen is just because I've got my charger plugged up here and it's easier for me to film on the kitchen side, and the charger is a nice convenient place to reach. I just tilt up there quickly and show you the mess. So I thought I'll have that on standby. You actually get a charging brick in the box. Probably one of the few products out there now where you do get a charger in the box. Super fast charging. Again, Samsung, look, either make your charging faster or drop the super fast charging. When you've got Super VOOC and things like that, with badly named stuff, but yeah, they do 65-watt charging. Do you mean this ain't it? As far as my old man eyes can tell, this looks like a 25-watt charger, which is faster than what this needs, but also not as fast as Samsung phones will allow. But it's handy. Things like the Galaxy Fold, Galaxy Flip, only charge at 25 watts, so cool. And this is the actual charging pad. Not as thick as I thought it was going to be, because obviously the behemoth that is the box, which is nice. Got some rubberized feet at the bottom, a fan on one side, it looks like, nice, which will help keep it cool. Good. Obviously you want it not to overheat when you've got it charged on your bedside table, etc. That's good. Quick start guide. Bye bye. And a cable. So everything you need in this box. This is probably going to live on my my desk in work. Boing. Just because it's better than having multiple wires. So I have an iPhone for work, and I've got my Samsung for my personal phone, and I've got my Galaxy Watch. Sometimes it gets a little bit lower, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm going out after work, or I'm going gym after work, and I want it to be a bit higher, so it'd be nice to have this there. Now I'm just going to put the side. Let's get this plugged in. Plug there. Nice little light indicator there. Got this side for the phone, presumably the larger side. Recording this on my Fold. I'm just going to use iPhone and just straight on there, charge it straight away. Brill, love to see it. And then I got my Galaxy Watch Ultra, which annoying because of the strap. I'm gonna have to push it down a little bit. No, apparently I don't. Boom, so you can see there they are both charging. The indicator light to show that they're charging, which is nice because look, iPhone is the screen's off at the minute, so I wouldn't know it was charging unless I checked and had a look. But yeah, it is charging. That is pretty neat. At the moment, while I'm recording this, I can say that I can't hear any fans or anything. Presumably, if it's on for a long time, it's going to get warmer, the fans may kick in, but right now, silence. So that is awesome. And that's pretty much it, really. There's not much else you can say, is there? So you can see on the watch there, it is saying 1 hour and 29 minutes for full charge. So it's actually slower than the watch charger. You know, if you're putting it on overnight, the light did change there. This looks really bad, right? But I'll just cut it off again. Pushing it down there just to see if the time changes or anything. But here's the thing. The watch itself does sit flat. But the watch strap that's on it stops it from sitting flat. But that's a separate video, isn't it? Because this is all about the charger, which does appear to be working pretty well. I say, no, I'm just going to take this strap off because look, it's the strap itself stops it lying flat on the charger, not the watch. There we go. But yeah, still 1 hour 29. I just took the watch off there. That is magnetic. It's pretty strong magnets because I can feel that trying to pull it out of my fingers. There we go. Good. Obviously can't get that across on camera, but I can definitely feel it pulling. Oh, and there you go. If I do a little, you can see that it's not going flying, and it'll do a nice little spin. Yeah, hey. Can this side charge a phone? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so both sides can charge the phone. Looks like only one side can charge the watch. So that's okay. Basically, you can charge two phones. That's still charging. Yeah, so you can charge two phones and or one phone and one watch. One phone and one watch, rather. Boom. Thank you for watching. Please do like the video if you found it useful. Any questions, let me know in the comments. And please hit subscribe for more everyday tech videos for everyday people like myself. Bye.